Are you waking up feeling completely drained, struggling to find the energy to face your day, even after a full night's sleep? Struggling to keep up with your day as energy levels drop and focus slips away? For men over 40, mornings can feel like a battle, but they don't have to. What if you could wake up every morning with a proven, powerful routine tailored for men over 40, a routine that boosts energy, sharpens your mind, and sets you up for a longer, healthier life? In this video, I'll show you the ultimate morning routine that's easy to follow, even for the busiest schedules. You'll discover how to fuel your body, protect your health, and elevate your mood all before the day begins. Ready to transform your mornings? Let's dive in. Let's start with a question. How often do you wake up feeling tired, despite getting what you think is enough sleep? It's a common challenge for men over 40. As we age, our energy levels naturally decline, and maintaining a consistent routine becomes harder. The problem isn't just feeling tired, it's the ripple effect: lower productivity, reduced focus, and even potential long-term health risks. Low energy in the morning can lead to reduced productivity, difficulty focusing, and even long-term health issues. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in this cycle, you're not alone, and that's why this routine is so important. Imagine starting your day with energy and clarity, ready to take on anything. That's what we're aiming for here. The benefits of a structured morning routine go far beyond just feeling awake. When you implement a routine tailored to your body's needs, you're not just boosting your energy, you're actively promoting longevity. By combining hydration, movement, nutrition, mental clarity, and planning, you can set a strong foundation for your day. These practices help reduce stress, improve heart health, and even sharpen cognitive functions. It's not just about surviving your mornings, it's about transforming them into the foundation for an energized, fulfilling day. And the best part? This routine is designed to be simple, practical, and adaptable to any schedule, so anyone can do it. Now, let's break down the ultimate morning routine step by step. Start your day with hydration. As soon as you wake up, drink a glass of water, preferably with a squeeze of lemon. This rehydrates your body after hours of fasting, kickstarts your metabolism, and supports digestion. It's a simple step that takes less than a minute, but makes a big impact. Next, get your body moving. Spend just 5 to 10 minutes on light exercises or stretches, such as dynamic lunges, cat-cow stretches, or a brief walk to loosen up and energize your body. This could be a series of dynamic stretches to loosen your muscles, a few yoga poses to enhance flexibility, or even a short walk outside to get your blood flowing. Movement in the morning doesn't just wake you up, it also stimulates circulation, improves posture, and reduces stiffness that often comes with aging. After movement, it's time to fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Aim for foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. For example, you could have scrambled eggs with avocado and a handful of berries, or a smoothie packed with spinach, almond milk, chia seeds, and a scoop of protein powder. These foods provide sustained energy, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support overall health. Avoid sugary cereals or pastries, which may give you a quick boost, but lead to an energy crash later in the day. Once your body is fueled, shift your focus to your mind. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on practices that promote mental clarity and reduce stress. This could include meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling. For example, take a few moments to write down 3 things you're grateful for, or visualize your goals for the day. These practices can improve your mood, sharpen your focus, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Finally, dedicate 3 to 5 minutes to planning your day. Use a simple app like Todoist or a notepad to list your top 3 priorities, ensuring you stay focused and productive. Create a short list of priorities or tasks you want to accomplish. By organizing your thoughts and setting clear intentions, you'll feel more in control and ready to tackle your responsibilities. This step is especially helpful for busy schedules, as it ensures you're starting your day with a clear sense of direction. Of course, every routine has its challenges, and this one is no different. You might be thinking, I don't have time for all of this in the morning. But the beauty of this routine is its flexibility. Even if you only have 20 minutes, you can still hydrate, move, eat a quick healthy breakfast, and take a moment to focus your mind. Another common concern is consistency. If you're not a morning person, Building a routine may feel overwhelming at first. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 steps to focus on, and gradually add more as it becomes a habit. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. So, what can you expect if you commit to this routine? First, you'll notice a significant improvement in your energy levels. Instead of dragging yourself through the morning, you'll feel more alert and capable. Over time, you'll also see benefits in your overall health, from better digestion to reduced stress and improved cognitive function. And perhaps most importantly, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and control over your day, a powerful motivator for continuing the routine. Are you ready to take the first step toward transforming your mornings? This simple, practical routine is your ticket to more energy, better health, and a brighter outlook on life. Start today by choosing 1 or 2 steps to implement. Share your progress in the comments, and let's build a community of energized, thriving mornings together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge in the morning? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier, happier mornings.